Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best Keurig. So let's get started. Number 7. Keurig 2.0 K575. The K575 is the Rolls-Royce of Keurig's second-generation 2.0 range and offers the widest range of features and customizations of any 2.0 machine. The K575 allows you to brew a range of drink sizes, including cups of 4 ounces, 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, and 12 ounces, mugs of 12 to 18 ounces, and carafes 22 to 30 ounces. It also features adjustable strength controls and 5 temperature settings, allowing you to customize your drink to exactly the way you like it. This brewer includes an 80-ounce water reservoir, the largest in the 2.0 range, holding enough water to brew up to 10 cups or more between refills. The machine also has a hot water on-demand mode, allowing you to use the machine for hot water even when not brewing a drink. Number 6. Keurig K-Mini Plus Coffee Maker. With this new brewing system, Keurig has gone back to basics and produced a tiny machine that does one job and does it well. This coffee maker is designed to produce hot drinks with a minimum of fuss in the shortest possible time and without any unnecessary complications. At less than 5 inches wide, this is the ideal coffee machine for small spaces or for those who prefer to keep their kitchen clean and uncluttered. Despite the small size, this machine is still capable of storing up to 9 K-cup pods and will produce a cup of coffee in around 1 minute. Compared to some other machines, the functionality of this machine has been reduced to just the essentials, making this a great option for someone who doesn't want a complicated brewer with countless features that will remain unused. Number 5. Keurig K55 Classic Coffee Maker. This machine belongs to Keurig's original line of machines that brought the company such success and includes many of the features that made Keurig brewers so popular. The Keurig K55 allows you to brew a cup of your favorite beverage in the shortest amount of time and without the hassle of brewing with a traditional system. You pop in the pod, choose your cup size and hit brew, and the machine does the rest. This machine allows you to select the size of your cup. There are 3 options to choose from: 6 ounces, 8 ounces, or 10 ounces, the most popular sizes of drink. The K55 is compatible with all original K-cup pods, as well as K2.0 pods. However, it doesn't accept K-mug pods or K-carafe pods. Number 4. Keurig K-Cafe Latte and Cappuccino Maker. The K-Cafe machine is one of the most innovative brewers Keurig has ever produced. The outstanding feature of this machine is the built-in frother that allows you to make true lattes and cappuccinos. While other models only allow you to brew drinks that resemble your favorite coffee shop-style drinks, this brewer allows you to make the real thing. By using the shot feature and the built-in milk frother, you can now produce authentic specialty espresso-based drinks in your home. This brewer features cup size selection, allowing you to choose between 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, and 12-ounce beverages. Number 3. Keurig 2.0 Series K250. When Keurig launched the second-generation 2.0 line of brewers, the K250 was intended to be the entry-level machine that offered the major upgrades common to all the new machines without the added frills of the top-end coffee makers. The major advantage of the K250 when compared with the original line of Keurig machines is its ability to brew mugs and carafes of coffee rather than just cups by using the special K-mug and K-carafe pods. The second-generation machines also feature touchscreen rather than push-button controls, making it simple to select the drink options and customize your beverage the way you like it. As well as multiple drink sizes, you also have the option of changing the strength of your drink. Number 2. Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker. The K-Elite is similar in many ways to the K-Select, but with a few extra features and additions that make it a superior brewer. This machine offers 5 drink size options rather than the 4 available on the K-Select. For those who prefer a smaller, more intense cup, this coffee maker allows you to prepare 4-ounce cups. It also features a strong brew option for an even richer, more powerful brew. One welcome feature on this model is the one-touch iced beverage function. You simply fill your cup with ice and hit the ice brew button, and the machine adjusts the strength of the drink for a perfect iced beverage, ideal for the hot months of summer. Number 1. Keurig K155 Office Pro Coffee Maker. This Keurig machine is aimed at the office use market rather than for home users. To this end, it includes several features making it more suitable for the work environment. One of the key adaptations that make this machine ideal for the office is the extra-large 90-ounce water reservoir. In an office of coffee and tea drinkers, this will mean the machine needs to be refilled less frequently. The reservoir holds enough water for up to 16 or more drinks. Another useful feature is that it is designed to be easier to drain and store, important during holidays when the office will be empty and the machine won't be in use.